Hi, I'm Spencer, and today I'm going to take you through a really simple exercise that is key to strengthening your abs and building a strong core, the sit-up. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your arms across your chest. Raise your body up towards your knees, then roll back down to the starting position. You should aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. You can make this exercise more challenging by adding more resistance through weighted sit-ups. You can perform this exercise by holding a weight against your chest. However, using too much weight is one of the easiest ways to damage your neck or back. Good technique is far more important than how much weight you can hold. You can do the sit-ups on an exercise ball. This can reduce the strain on your back and will help you to maintain proper form. Tips to remember: keep your arms across your body, keep your feet firmly on the floor, and always look ahead.